you guys, I'm a travel agent and I do hotel and resort site visits as part of my research for my clients. So I live in Philly and I wanted to show you guys the best premium and luxury hotels there are to stay when you're visiting the city. This is Le Méridien. It's located in Center City. What you're seeing right now is the Amuse restaurant. It's located just outside the lobby. The restaurant features beautiful original art, gorgeous chandeliers. There's luxe comfy seating throughout the dining areas and a center bar. Fireplaces. This huge room used to serve as the Wise library, and then it was the auditorium, and then later it became the district attorney Lynn Abraham's office, like literally just for her. I wonder how big her desk was, like for real. That was just a space for one person. So here you're seeing the gallery. It features bespoke artwork, original woodwork and moldings. There's tables and seating throughout and a grand fireplace. It's a multi-use space. They often use it for Sunday brunches and wedding pre and post events. And because of the large windows, it gets a lot of natural light, so they use it for it's a perfect space for brides and bridal parties to get ready for their big day. Now here you're seeing the atrium. It's awesome. It's like an urban oasis. It gets tons of natural light due to the glass ceilings. They hold corporate events there, weddings, receptions. It also serves as a guest-only lobby and workspace. It used to be the outdoor swimming pool, and then it was the outdoor basketball court. So this is a standard room in the Le Méridien. The rates start at $175 per night. This room features a queen bed, an awesome view of Love Park and City Hall. And so Le Méridien is, like I said, it's a premium hotel. It steps away from the financial district and the fashion district. Restaurants, urban attractions, museums, historical sites, cultural sites. There's valet service available. It's also close to transportation. They're updating the rooms right now with refrigerators, due to COVID. It's changed a lot of things, so most people want a refrigerator in their room now. So they're putting fridges in all of the rooms. So this was just a really nice hotel. The staff was really amazing. It was super friendly and helpful, and it was just a great place. Hopefully you guys will consider it. So like I said, it's a historical landmark, and I think it's the perfect place to stay for leisure travelers and guests seeking a staycation in the city. Hit me up if you're looking for an agent. I can definitely find you a great place to stay in Philadelphia.